The Hamas-Israeli conflict has plunged the world into uncertainty and fear. People are being impacted by the horrible, heart-rending images and videos emerging from this conflict area. What can we do, to contribute and bring about peace in this area, in the Russian conflict area? What we can do is two simple things, that is, send out very powerful vibrations and prayers of peace. Throughout the day, whenever you can, find that few minutes or even a minute, just close your eyes, withdraw from everything, and with a heart full of love, pray for peace in the conflict areas, peace within you, your family, community, nation, and the whole world. The second thing you can do if you are very badly impacted by seeing these terrible videos and images is sit quietly, close your eyes, just watch your own breathing at the nose tip. Tell yourself you will not miss even a single inhale, exhale. Slowly you will find that your breathing has become subtle, soft, regular, rhythmical, and your mind has become calm and has stopped jumping around. Then, even in this state, it is very nice to pray with a full heart and love, or with every inhale, exhale, say the Shanti mantra, or say any of the mantras of your faith, like Om, Amen, Amen, with every inhale, exhale. Even a few minutes of this sends out huge vibrations around you and within you. And you can imagine if every individual decides, yes, I will find that 1 minute or a few minutes throughout the day and do this, praying and calming your mind through watching your breath, and then again sending out very nice, peaceful vibrations in the world. With heartfelt prayers for everyone and for the whole world.